Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name is James Frampton. I'm shooting this for ExtremeMopars.com. There's a little snowstorm that came through here in Carrollton, and going to pick up my niece. Me and my stepfather. Stepfather is driving a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 Express, two-wheel drive. And as you can see, the roads are not that great. How long have you drove a truck, Jerry? Drive a truck?
38 years.
38 years experience driving a tractor trailer. And I think it's about 4 p.m. and we're going up to Carrollton, like I said, to pick up my niece. She can't drive in this. She can't drive home. She's at work. And so I just wanted to shoot a little video here of the Dodge Ram and show you how a two-wheel drive handles in snow. These roads have not been treated, so the roads are pretty nasty. I'm assuming that some of these people are coming home from work. It's about that time for them to get off, 4 or 5 o'clock. And we got the Dodge Ram clock there. And we're going about 45 miles per hour. We haven't, the truck is not spent or wheels or slid or anything like that. It's handling pretty good, ain't it, Jerry?
Yeah. Sure is.
A two-wheel drive. I will not be going to work today because I don't want to drive out in it. I'll end up in a ditch. So I will not be going to work in this. What's the worst storm you've ever been caught in, Jerry? And it don't matter what year it was.
I don't remember, Jerry. I don't really remember.
That's 61. 166, I'm sorry, 166 in Carrollton, Georgia.
Looks like there might be
Oh, wow.
a rig down there.
Yeah, there's a traffic jam over there. Something is, oh yeah, absolutely. Because that traffic is backed up. Wow. If I was those people, I would be making a left-hand turn there.
Yeah.
I don't know why in the world they are going that way. Let's see.
Another one sitting down there with blue lights on.
Yeah. There's a Carrollton police. Carrollton, Georgia. We have seen several cars on the side of the road. I'm going to look at this Dodge Ram watch. It is five till 4. And that guy's in a 4x4 Ford 150. Yeah. What's today's date, Jerry? January 28th?
Yeah.
It is January 28th, 2014. A snowstorm here in Carrollton, Georgia. It's about 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. And so far, the 2013 Dodge Ram is, Jerry said it's handling great. It's staying on the road great. Oh, wow, what do we got there?
Well, it turned over.
Oh, oh, wow, he turned over. He flipped over.
Like a strap.
It did, didn't it? You can't drive fast on these roads. Up north, they've got the equipment. But down here in the south, that we don't get a lot of snow, so they're not going to spend all that money on equipment to clean these roads. You got to use your head when you're driving. But I just wanted to make this video here to show you how good these trucks, how good the Dodge Ram handles with the road covered with snow, ice. There's the jail in Carrollton. Oh, wow. Jerry, around town, about what is your gas mileage you get on this truck?
About 16, 17.
16 to 17 miles to the gallon in town, in city. And on the highway, what would you say?
22, 23.
22 to 23 miles to the gallon on the highway. If you had to pick, Jerry, just one major complaint about the 2013 Dodge Ram, What would it be?
I don't have no complaints on it.
So, I mean, you got none whatsoever.
Sure is.
You got this truck at James O'Neill in Bremen, Georgia. You got a good deal on it. You got a great deal on it. There's another Toyota there on the side of the road. There's a Mustang, little Toyota. We're in Carrollton, Georgia, January 28th, 2014. I'm going to pick up my niece. She works at Olive Garden. Three and a half years. She went to Georgia Tech. And the economy's so bad, she's working at Olive Garden.
Two trucks broke down.
I've been promising you guys a performance video on this truck. Well, what better way to see how this vehicle handles with a two-wheel drive and some very, very bad roads. Ice, snow. It's just nasty. That is Southwire over there. Martha Berry Highway, Carrollton, Georgia. And my stepfather said this truck he's got no complaints whatsoever. You've had this truck for about 7 or 8 months now? Somewhere around
About
there?
9 months.
About 9 months. You see with that Kroger, Jerry, that Kroger,
Yeah.
that's where you'll turn to the right. Trying to think what else is down there. I
I
think,
think that light must be stuck.
I hope not.
No, it's turning now.
Martha Berry Highway. Wow, this is nasty. This is pretty nasty. Would you cut your windshield wipers on, Jerry? Yeah, there we go. That way they can. Oh, shoot. I need to call. We may see her down here. It said there's the Olive Garden right there. It's,
So you gotta go down here.
I think you. Oh, yeah, that'll be fine.
It looks like Hardee's is closed.
I believe they are. I haven't been down here since they opened that Olive Garden. I don't think I have. Yeah, Ross. I thought Ross's was down here. take my coat off. I'm hot.
Lay up too. There's Katie's car.
I think she's got her door open. I don't know.
Huh?
Is that her door open? Blow your horn. There's. Is that her? That's her, ain't it?
Is
Is that her? Let's see.